Hey guys, Dave Jr. with Wellbuilt Equipment. Today we're going to show you guys how to use the emergency track drive controls on the CTE 230. There is a hydraulic override in the event you do smash your remote, but this machine is actually equipped with a third location to plug the remote in, even if the battery's dead, that allows you to drive the machine from the remote and still have proportional controls. It's a lot easier to get it on and off of a trailer or through a gate or out of somebody's backyard by using the remote than it is having to reach over the machine or crawl along with it on your knees like pretty much every other machine made out there. So you can see here's our emergency manifold or emergency controls for all the aerial functions. Right below there is this black cover. We're going to go ahead and remove it. And if you look down here, there's a cable with the same plug that you plug everything else into. Nice long cable. We leave it zip tied together just so it doesn't get all bound up. And all you gotta do, we're gonna plug that into the side of the remote here, just like you would in the basket or on the side of the turret. Now let's go ahead and turn the machine on. So, diesel engine side, if you're using diesel engine, you're going to be on this side. Emergencies for electric, you're going to be on this side. We are outside, so I got it towards the diesel. And then turn the key on and start the machine. Now we're just going to make sure our emergency stop's out and the green light's on for the battery on the remote. We're going to come down here. This is your diagnostics computer on our CTE 230. I'm going to hold both toggle switches up. You're going to see a little ET step pop up there on your screen. That's for emergency track drive. And now the machine's going to drive with the remote. So there you go, guys. That is how to use the emergency track drive functions on your CTE Traccess 230.